In the original run of Zoey 101, the last episode saw the gang going to prom. Don't worry, this video won't spoil any major series plot points. As a part of prom though, Michael was trying to learn to drive a stick shift. Surprisingly, Michael's stick shift plot in this episode holds an exciting secret to mastering coding. Right when Michael's about ready to give up, he has an unusual encounter with the teacher from the school, Mr. Takato. After a quick back and forth, Mr. Takato offers to teach Michael how to drive a stick shift. Instead of going anywhere near the car, Mr. Takato brings out a wooden mixing bowl with ingredients and instructs him to mix it in a specific order. That order, using his right hand, is going up, down, over, up, down. Later, Michael stomps grapes for grape juice following Takato's specific cadence. Left, right, left, right. After all this, the two go to the car and Mr. Takato simply tells Michael to drive the car. After some hesitation, Michael realizes how the tuna and the grapes apply to the larger concept of driving the stick shift, and he's able to drive the car. By now you're probably asking, how did that story relate to coding? The same concept of breaking down a complex topic into simpler ones applies to learning how to code. It's very easy, especially as a beginner, to make your task something like building Google's homepage and get overwhelmed because you've no idea how to do that. If you've no idea about how any part that goes into a particular task, you can just Google how to blank and get a high-level idea of the concepts that go into it, and then you learn those concepts. In the Google's homepage example, assuming we're not making it functional, just mimicking its look, you'd want to learn basic HTML structure, basic CSS styling, flexbox or grid within CSS, using pictures in HTML for Google's logo, making a search bar that at least accepts text, and how to style the Google search and I'm feeling lucky buttons. As it was with the tuna and the grapes, these things might not individually be exciting or even simple, they're just an important part to getting you unstuck from the Herculean task of doing the entire thing at once. I normally make Python, Java, and JavaScript videos to teach you these very tuna and grapes level concepts, so if you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. If you're wanting to learn Python in particular, I have another playlist or video you can click into on screen now. Otherwise, ciao.